Learning to code these days is a much more interesting and engaging experience for kids because there's just so many great resources out there to help them understand how to code, to push them through that flow channel we talked about earlier. So I'm just going to take you through a few websites which have been created to try and encourage coding and build up kids' skills. So the first one I want to talk about is code.org. So this was set up very recently to try and promote coding with young people and bring it into the curriculum in schools. It has some really important people backing it. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates has endorsed it, even Barack Obama features on the trailer video, and there's so many different celebrities and faces that kids recognize and respect that are teaching them how to program. So it's a really great resource, particularly if they're starting out and they're seeing how cool programming is and the amazing things you can do with it. So when you're at code.org, you can look at the Learning tab, which can take you through all of the different free tutorials that kids can do. They're all created to try and promote coding, to make it fun. There's exercises which don't involve computers at all, much like the unplugged exercises we mentioned earlier. So that's a great place for kids to start and to explore themselves. And like we said, you don't have to have the strongest coding skills because all these resources are out here. If your support and direction for your kids is there, they will be able to explore and find their own solutions. If you're a teacher or a parent that is looking to teach your kids programming and use these resources, there's a Teachers tab with all sorts of information and worksheets and types of things that you can use to promote coding in your class. Another great site is Codecademy. So even on the opening screen, kids are encouraged to start coding straight away. So Codecademy is another free site that is put out there for people beginning with programming and people looking to advance their skills. It's a very good site for kids because it does try and gamify the experience with badges and trying to motivate them through learning to code. It's a very large community and there's a huge collection of different languages that can be learnt. So you can see down here at the bottom we have JavaScript, HTML and CSS, PHP, Python, Ruby. So some of these are the ones we talked about. Your kids can start off with Python there as well. And it's a really great resource. There's many other sites out there that you can find to start promoting coding. There's Code School. There's Treehouse, which is a paid service, but it's used by some really impressive technology companies as their resource to trade up their coders. So as your kids advance, this might be a good step to push them forward. So with all these different resources at your fingertips, you can help motivate your kids to start looking at these sites and they can build them skills up themselves.